Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Like P. Kahoy from BSFL 2-A, and I am 20 years old of age. I live in municipality of Liloan, province of Cebu. Why I choose Bachelor ng Science sa Filipino as my course at Cebu Technological University. I choose BSFil. This because when I browse it in the Facebook page of the undergraduate of Cebu Technological University, I just check the description or what is the career path as a bachelor in singing sa Filipino. And what has been written there is you may be a teacher in Filipino. And as a proud Filipino, and I want to gauge more, I want to teach Filipino, more likely that as what have you observed that in our society nowadays and our students they are fluent in speaking English, not in our national language, which is the Filipino. So this is why I choose BS Phil as my course because I want to be a teacher in a Filipino subject. Another, why I choose Cebu Technological University among the universities here in Cebu? I choose this Cebu Technological University as my school. It is because under in the Free Tertiary Education Act that has been signed by the late by the former President of the Republic of the Philippines, President Rodrigo Duterte, and authored by that act by Bam Aquino. I choose the Cebu Technological University because it is a free university, which is that there's no tuition, there's no miscellaneous that you are going to pay. At the same time, the teachers, the instructors, the professors, the way that they teach their students, they teach the technologies, it's a big impact to the Cebuano people. Most especially that Cebu Technological University is one of the top 10 of the most outstanding university in the entire country, most especially here in our province, which is the Cebu. So I choose the Cebu Technological University because I believe that they can give me um, enough knowledge so that I may able to exercise my path as a teacher in Filipino subject. That's all. Thank you very much and have a blessed afternoon. Goodbye.